Let's solve this question. The shortest distance between the curve x square plus y square is equal to 4. So I know it's a circle having center at origin 0, 0 and having its radius as 2, correct? It's a equation of a circle. I'm drawing this circle having center at 0, 0 and having sides, radius as 2, right? So circle will pass through these 4 points. So I'm drawing that circle. So this is the circle. Now, and the curve y is equal to mod x minus 2 plus mod x plus 2. Okay, so the graph for this curve or the graph for this expression would be, there are three reasons, right? One reason is greater than or equal to 2 and one reason is greater than or equal to minus 2 or less than or equal to minus 2, correct? So these are three reasons. For x greater than or equal to 2, for these x, this y comes out to be y is equal to, I know these mods will open as a positive sign because these two expressions are positive for x greater than or equal to 2, right? So I'll get 2x, correct? So this is 2, this is 2, this is 2 and this is 2. Now at x equal to 2, I know this is a y equal to 2x is a straight line passing through origin, correct? And having a slope of 2. So at x equal to 2, the value of y would be 4, right? And this line would be passing through this point, slope of 2. So this is the line of y is equal to 2x. Now, in second reason, when x is greater than or equal to minus 2 but less than 2, this expression, this y is equal to, because this mod will open as a positive sign and it will open with a negative sign. So I get 4, y equal to constant 4 in this reason. So from minus 2 to 2, this is minus 2. So this is minus 2. I get a straight line y equal to 4, which is parallel to this x-axis, right? And for this reason, when x is less than minus 2, I get y as how much? Minus 2x, which will be same as this line y equal to 2x but with the negative slope. So we'll get this line. This is the curve y equal to mod x minus 2 plus mod x minus 3. Now we have to find the shortest distance between these curves. Shortest distance between these curves would be this distance, this distance, correct? So I know the coordinate of this point as 0, 2. Also, I know the coordinate of this point because this line is y equal to 4. So it passes through what? 0, 4. And the distance between or the length of this segment would be how much? 2 units. So correct answer is option C.